Hey there! Are you a virtual assistant, or are you perhaps looking for a way you can create a fun and lucrative six-figure online business that allows you to flex your creativity without having to grow an email list or become an Instagram influencer? If so, then listen up. You are about to receive an invite to a free 5-day workshop that was born entirely out of necessity. That is because I need more top-notch course creators to refer potential clients to. Hey there, I'm Cindy Ann Mulchaney, founder of Course Paradise, and over the last 5 years, I've created over 70 different courses and course-related products for my 7- and 8-figure clients. Yes, you heard that right. Some of my clients have earned over $100 million selling information products online, and my role has been to help them strategize, design, and build out these course programs. And over the last 2 years, my business has exploded to the point where I unfortunately have to say no way more than I say yes to potentially great clients who want courses made for them. So I am being 100% serious when I say that landing course clients is kind of like fishing in a stocked trout pond right now. There is just a massive demand from businesses who need courses made, and there is also a massive shortage of talented course creators that do client work. And that's because everyone who ends up being good at this eventually wants their own product, which is totally fine. But if you're actually someone who would prefer to stay in the background and work with clients so that you don't have to think about growing an email list, so you don't have to think about becoming an influencer, so you don't have to think about nurturing a community or constantly being under the gun to do launches in your business so that you keep the lights on, but you still want to make an incredible income, making a real impact in the lives of others, then pay attention, because this free 5-day workshop is not a webinar in disguise. We're going to roll up our sleeves and do some work. Just maybe what you need in 2021 to start your year off right. No more feeling tapped for strategy insight by your clients and not getting paid for it. I know what it's like to be a VA who's good at her job, and my clients constantly asking me for my opinion and going beyond the scope of why they hired me when I'm just trading my time for dollars. And no more thinking about becoming an online business manager unless you love overwhelm. An OBM is a great career path for some people, but it's not for everybody. Creating courses, on the other hand, for clients is the perfect blend of project management, creativity, flexible work environment, and strategy input. It really is the best of all worlds. And by following my lead, your clients will love the courses and products you make for them and will happily pay you top dollar, and they will happily come back over and over again for you to make more and more products for them. This workshop is 100% free, and it's going to last from January 4th through January 8th in a pop-up Facebook group that will self-destruct when the workshop ends. Click the link in this video to request your free invite if you'd like to join us. In this workshop, I'm going to be sharing how I attract and land high-ticket course clients and how I create epic curriculums for online courses that end up transforming the lives of people that go through these products. This is 100% free. Your only risk for not clicking the link in this video is missing out. I'll see you in the Facebook group.